How to delete Grab account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Grab account. You will need to follow these steps to do so, but there is currently no direct method to do this through the application. Open the Grab application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see this account option. Tap on it. And in this page, here you will need to scroll down to find Help Center option. Once you find it, tap on it to open it. And in this page, either you can chat with the virtual assistant in order to delete your account, or you may also tap on this FAQ and Info Center option. And here in the search bar, type in delete my account. Once after typing it, you will get the search results below. Tap on this I want to delete my account option, and here now you will be taken to this page. You will need to go through all of them, and here once you scroll down, you will be able to see email us button. Tap on email us, and now you will need to fill out this information. Tap on this first text box and select yes. In the description, you can type in I would like to delete my account. After that, you will need to check these small boxes and then tap on the submit button at the bottom. Once you submit your request, you should receive a confirmation email from Grab within 24 to 48 hours regarding the status of your account deletion request. And then you will be able to delete your Grab account. So by following these steps, you can successfully delete your Grab account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.